Did you just drop it like?
Yep. Sure did.
Jerk.
I'll just give it a little spinny spin while you're at it.
There it goes.
The splines. Okay. Who's got the nuts? Nuts? In the drum?
Should be the drum. Somebody else can build another shot.
All right.
Someone lost a minute. Or was that the bushing?
I think it was a bushing.
Yeah, that would be a bushing.
Are those bushings getting replaced?
Yep. They'll come with the new shocks.
Okay.
Get 'em
Alright, who
started.
wants to build a shock?
Here comes your second shock, gang.
Hey, Allie.
Yeah.
You know, the shocks actually come out from down below. You don't have to go through the top. There's actually a plate that goes on there.
Yeah, well, every other Ford on the face of the earth, you go through the back seat.
Yeah, she'll take that shit from where?
Another nut. Nut.
Hey, Paul, how are you? Good, good. Good God, I wish.
Okay.
I wish.
Quarter.
I'm sorry? I'm still living in Glen and Andres
Good job.
area, so
Kurt's on the job.
until I find a place,
Look, we put Kurt to work.
This one came off the car. It looks brand new.
Cameraman.
now where's the parts that go with it?
Three-quarter socket. One that was on the extension, Grant.
Now say that one more time.
And that's one axle done.
No shit.
Here, let's get these guys doing this
Oh, okay.
trade. Oop.
Peter,
All right, boys.
we're detaching the woobus.
The woobus?
Yeah,
All right, get the woobus.
it's ready.
And you always
Do we have-
want to save those
Take it off,
cups
or?
even if they give you new ones.
Yeah, always save them just
Yeah.
in case.
No,
So with
the cup he just took off.
Yeah,
Yeah,
the
but
metal.
we're gonna-
Not the bracket.
No, the metal.
Oh,
The
this.
metal.
The
bracket.
Yeah, always
This.
save the metal
washer cup.
Yeah, no, yeah.
because
Those come in handy.
'Cause you don't-
you can use them for all kinds of stuff. Okay, so we have a new shock. Okay,
Throw that
here.
out, I need an extra set of hands.
Okay.
Watch these guys.
the new shocks don't come with these, or
They do, but
oh,
we
but
always
you,
save
you
these.
save these because you can use them.
Save the woobus.
Does it pop?
There you go.
That's what they're supposed to do.
Okay, and Peter, your other ones weren't doing anything.
Nothing. Who has the other one?
Oh, it's right there.
Okay, grab that other one for just a second.
Oh, where's our video?
Just to show you again. Okay, somebody
Watch.
hold that. Now watch.
lazy ass.
Done.
It's completely
Trash.
utterly shot. Now hold on, we'll do it one more time for everybody. Here, hold that.
Watch.
Look at that. And that one's still not even moving.
not moving.
All right, boys and girls.
It looks like it's had it, Peter.
It's had. Has it had?
It.
Yes.
Yeah, but how
can
much?
you
Yeah,
can
but how much are
manually-
you having to do that?
Well, you're not getting anything out of
I
this.
just threw it.
Put the rubber. Now you need to put this
We
on.
need
Hold
the
it-
bracket.
hold it
thing.
all out.
Here.
Oh,
Does it matter which side's which? It goes that
there
way.
you go. There you go.
Okay.
Then
Bushing first.
Grant, crisscross applesauce on that.
One of the bolts, or
I have the
All
nut.
right, they're getting
Now
that.
here is where it's gonna get.
So no gaskets?
No, we didn't have any.
These
The
together.
ones I had weren't the right ones, and nobody. No.
So that we can.
Those are actually ones Whit gave you that didn't fit that.
Yeah,
And I was like, oh, probably for keyboard.
way too small for that thing.
Yeah, I'm right. Probably for keyboard. It's yet another Ford plan.
Maybe I can tell.
No, it doesn't probably. That looks like it's an 8-inch. You getting it, Grant? Yeah. All right.
Good.
no, that
Nope.
One,
That connects into
This guy. Right, yeah, we got this one.
So we're gonna do the exact same thing. I need someone to go with me for a second. I'm gonna hold this.
Here we go.
Where's the other shark? We can start assembling.
Okay, you ready?
All right, you got that going.
One and two. Put a no, sorry. Washer, flip it. Flip. There you go. Perfect.
Wash your rubber. Chingadera.
Dude,
Yeah,
these are not right.
they are right. They're 100% right. It's called the car's completely unloaded.
Oh,
You got to bring the car down. What we'll do is tighten that up, and we'll put the wheels on the car and finish it up. Yeah. Get those up.
Should put that side up first. Or...
Get the top up first.
I don't believe these are right.
They absolutely are for 62.
So do a metal one and then the rubber. Oh, do we know if the big rubber goes on the top or little? Or,
What? See your big hole, big rubber.
okay.
So little goes down, then your chingus goes on, and then you need your fat rubber. And then that. Then put your nut up. And there you go.
How do you like them apples?
You got it on the woobus. Ready to tell you that you loosey there, girl.
I like that.
I
like that trick.
far down to go.
Until the rubber's flat.
Crank the shit out of it. And then when we bring the car down, it will go. Because Scotty, the axle, look how leaf springs are? The axle's over this way. When you come down, it's going to go over.
I'm just super cautious. That's all.
When you put wheels
Here, you
on.
want to do this video thing?
Get that on. Grant's got that.
Yeah, give it the bean.
Let's grab the other axle. Gentlemen.
Where's your...
Yeah. Grant, they're going to put this axle in, so take a break.
I'm done. Give me 1 second.
Okay, well, he's almost done, so then we'll put this in. It's
We
going
have
to
two
spin
different
his.
sizes here.
The side's done. I'm putting the drum on.
Okay, hold on with the drum.
Oh, I see. So the little one is inside.
We don't want you to. Okay, put the drum on. Grant, just put the drum.
I'll take who's being a fucking smartass for 1,000.
So you gotta work it. You gotta kind of get that end into the splines, and you're gonna need to work it around because see, there you go. And make sure you're lined up. These, the trick on this guy is see how it's angled. It angles down to the bottom.
Okay.
There.
The nuts should be in the.
So but that's going further now.
Ford did the shackles on these.
There you go.
That's going
But these
further.
didn't flip over either. They stayed where they're supposed to.
It goes in.
But I'm
You gotta
saying
do a
it's
little more
just
with
this piece of metal.
bearing.
It's like this
Yeah.
one that 50.
Oh, no, it's good. That's a good.
Jay, don't do
That was a good out. I mean, my hand
Of course, they don't have to.
There you go. Okay. Grant's got him.
The flat face goes
Sir,
back.
you're making an awful lot of noise.
All right, get those going. And once you get them started, then you got to go through the hole. But that's on too.
They put the tires on.
Get this on this side. We can put the drum and the tire on
So now,
because we need to set the car.
lower.
Yeah.
We need to set the car
You
down.
can put the front tires on too, right?
And we'll do that.
It'll go down.
Are these yours, Bobby?
Yes, those are ones I brought,
And then where's
and
the
they don't
other?
fit our other ones.
We'll
They
put them
should be
over there.
Yeah, there's a couple.
Nope.
We gotta get the
What
asset.
we'll do is we gotta lower it down.
I went and got them. Riley, because
I'll be the one that'll have the balls to do it.
Get them. You did it for some reason.
You're getting it now?
Completely get it on like an half turn.
Pull it out.
It'll stop.
It's all the way out.
Oh, it is? Oh,
It's
shit.
all the way out.
Oh, here.
So we have
Sight is fun.
that much we've got to go. So what it'll be is, okay, came in the parts, lower it down a little bit, and I'll get everything set and ready to go, and then I'll just tighten it
You
all
can
up.
use the pole jack and put it under here and then lower it. Spring to put
Is
it
that all
up.
back together?
But I don't think, Andre, I don't think it's
check
enough
with Grant.
weight.
I don't think it's enough here. No.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and you can pull it off the
No.
but you
Yeah.
can pull it off the lift too. Which is,
See how you didn't call it a Buick?
This is all back together.
I think so.
Yeah.
Grant, is this
Ready to
all
go?
done?
He can put the drum
Yes,
on.
and the wheel.
Yep.
Throw them in the wheel.
Jack stands and then just jack.
Be careful, don't spin the, Peter, don't spin the axle, because they're putting these in.
Fuck him over.
I didn't spin it. He spun it.
I know, but I'm just saying,
Just,
be
yeah,
careful.
when you turn the thing on.
Well, you gotta kind of back it up anyway. So.
Perfect.
Look at you.
I grab your wheel. And
Look
let's
at you.
put the nuts on.
Want to come work Phoenix?
See?
Do a crisscross, couple.
Draw it in.
Take your way.
Beautiful. Look at this.
This is some shit.
Stop.
Oh, rear shop. Done. Finito. 20. You're gonna turn right. Chris is going down there. He'll meet you there.
Here, I'm gonna do a couple laps though before you park it. Around, let's see how it works.
Well, he's got no front sway bar hooked up right now, so no.
Sway bar, that's true.
Yeah, so no, we're not doing a couple laps.
Straight to 20, never mind.
No laps.
No left turns.